So finally, the day comes after COVID and after our first professional exams. Finally, the earlier routine starts again. The first day of second year begins like this. First of all, we all get ready. We wear our white coat and then we are heading for the college. So this is the campus area. So let's go to the college. So we entered in the college. Initially in first year, our LT lecture theatre is on the lower floor. Now it is upgraded to upper floor since we also upgraded to one class. So that's why. So this is our classroom. So first class is of pharmacology, and in this class I am sitting in the first bench. So you can see the struggle we secretly recorded, trying to record the thing. Then after 8 to 9 class we'll have a clinical posting from 9 to 12, and so we are going to hospital. So as you all know, my first posting is of psychiatry. So we all are waiting for the sir to come and to discuss some clinical cases with us. Also we saw some patients. Then it's our lunch time, and after lunch we'll have our practical class. So this is our microbiology class. This is all about the staining, gram staining and all, which the microbiology is famous for.